welcome to my channel, a little bit of everything. So today I'll be doing a guitar tutorial of the song Whom Shall I Feel. So if you already know how to play the guitar and if you know the chords, how to play, head on to my previous video. Link will be in the description box where I covered the entire song. I played a guitar cover of the entire song, so you can even check out the chords in the top left side and start playing. This video is for beginners to intermediate level guitar players who want to play the song on guitar. I'll be teaching you. So grab on a guitar, let's get straight into the tutorial. Basically this song is composed in the key of C, alright? C, but what Chris Tomlin does is he's having very high voice. He plays his capo in 5th fret and plays G, which is again C. Placing capo in 5th fret and playing G chord is in the key of C. Alright, I'll explain all this later in a separate video where I'll be teaching you all the basics of guitar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step down a fret and then I'm gonna sing it in B key. Alright, because my voice is not so high, but as per my voice, I'm gonna step this down to 4th fret and then I'm gonna play it in the same chord as I'm playing here. Alright, so if your voice is very high, you can step it up to 5th fret and then play the same chords as I play. Alright, so chords used in this song are G chord, C add 9 or C chord, E minor 7 or E chord, E minor chord, and then D chord, and then D or F sharp chord. So now I'll consider this as 1st fret, 2nd fret and 3rd fret. After the capo will be my 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret and so on. Alright, so my middle finger goes to 3rd fret of low E string, index finger goes to 2nd fret of A string, alright, and then my ring finger goes to B string, 3rd fret, and my little finger goes to E string, high E string, 3rd fret. Alright, this is how it looks and sounds like this. Okay, now let's move on to 2nd chord, that is C add 9 or C chord. So for this, just move your 2 index and your middle finger down by a step. Alright, just this. So now your middle finger is in A string, 3rd fret, and then your index will be in 2nd fret of D string. Alright, and sounds like this. It's clear, I suppose. G and C and okay. Now let's move it another chord, that is E minor. Go back to your G and then place your middle finger. See, it's somewhat like this. Place your middle finger, just move your middle finger to D string, 2nd fret. Alright, just move your middle finger to D string, 2nd fret. So this is E minor 7 or E chord. Sounds something like this. Okay, and now you play a D chord, that is, place your ring finger as it is, that is in 3rd fret of B string, and you place your middle finger in high E string, that is the last string, 2nd fret, and then you place your index on the 2nd fret of G string. Alright, so this is how it is, it looked like, and you should play this only this bottom 4 strings for D. So that is how it looks like, D, and sounds like this. Alright, now D or F sharp with the same arrangement. You're gonna just grab this top E string, that is a low E, grab this 2nd fret. Alright, this is F, this is F sharp. So hold it, grab this, and sounds like this. Now you play the entire 6 strings. Alright, so these are the chords, people. Once again, let's recall the chords: G chord, C chord, E minor, D, and D or F sharp. Now let's get into the strumming pattern, guys. Strumming pattern in this song, there's 2 types of strumming pattern, all downstrokes, and then okay, let me tell you the first type of strumming pattern, that is 8 downstrokes in 1 bar. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, let me slow down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 sounds like this. Practice this. If you're absolute beginners, I would recommend you to play all downstrokes the same way I taught you the first strumming pattern. Alright, all this downstrokes, 8 downstrokes, and then later you'll get to this. Starting first verse, unless you hear me when I call, these are the chords used: G, C, E minor, and C. Alright, so G for 2 bars, C for 2 bars, that is 2 bars is 8 counts, C for 2 bars, E minor for 1 bar, and C for 1 bar. Okay, I'll just show you.
You hear me when I call, you are my morning song. Though darkness fills the light, it cannot hide the light. Whom shall I fear? You crush the enemy underneath my feet. You are my sword and shield, though troubles linger still. Whom shall I fear?
Okay, so that's the first verse, and then we get into the chorus, that is I know who goes before me. We play E minor for half bar. Half bar is 2 count, 1, 2, that's it, and then D and G together for half bar. That is within 2 counts you should fill this D and G. 1, 2, got it? Together this is whole bar. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, got it. After this you'll be playing E minor chord for half bar again, half bar, and then go to C, play full bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D and G together for half bar again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it is actually 2 bars, 2 entire bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there is 2 bars. We can start the second strumming pattern, which is down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. You can do the strumming pattern from here on.
Whom shall I fear? I know who goes before me, I know who stands behind. The God of angel armies is always by my side. The one who reigns forever, he is a friend of mine. The God of angel armies is always by my side.
And now get into the second verse. Before getting into the second verse, you'll have 1 bar of G here.
Is always by my side. My strength is in your name, for you alone can save.
You can either play this downstrokes for this song or for this verse, second verse, or you can directly play the second strumming pattern. Now, for the second verse, the chords remains the same. That is G chord for 2 bars, C chord for 2 bars, E minor for 1 bar, C for 1 bar, E minor for 1 bar, C for 1 bar again. Okay, this E minor and C for 1 bar repeats again, and then you get straight into the chorus. Let me play from the chorus again so that you have clear idea.
I know who goes before me, I know who stands behind. The God of angel armies is always by my side. The one who reigns forever, he is a friend of mine. The God of angel armies is always by my side. See that? My strength is in your name, for you alone can save.
play 1 bar of G to get into the bridge. Alright? In bridge it is half bar of C for 2 counts, G for half bar, D for whole bar, that is full bar, and then go back to G for full bar, C for full bar, G for full bar again, and then go to E minor. Together this is half bar. Your faithful will be for 1 bar and D for 1 bar. Alright, so play this entire thing twice, and then at the end your faithful will be E minor for half bar, D or F sharp for half bar. Okay, I'll show you how it's done. First 1 bar of G and then get into the bridge. So play 1 bar of G now.
And nothing formed against me shall stand. You hold the whole world in your hand. I'm holding on to your promises. You are faithful. You are faithful. And nothing formed against me shall stand. You hold the whole world in your hand. I'm holding on to your promises. You are faithful. You are faithful. You are.
Now you get into E minor, that's what I told at the end.
You are faithful.
After the bridge, you play the chorus again. You start it slowly and then pick up. I'll just show you how it's done entirely from the chorus till the end. Okay, let's begin. So chorus will start slowly.
I know who goes before me. I know who stands behind.
Pick up now.
The God of angel armies is always by my side. The one who reigns forever. He is a friend of mine. The God of angel armies is always by my side. I know who goes before me. I know who stands behind. The God of angel armies is always by my side. The one who reigns forever. He is a friend of mine. The God of angel armies is always by my side. The God of angel armies is always by my side.
Hello there people, hope you guys understood how to play guitar for Whom Shall I Fear, and I'll be uploading many videos soon. And then if you like my video, be sure to hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see the performance of Whom Shall I Fear, the guitar cover, link will be in the description below. Hope you guys like it. Have a nice day. Bye and peace.